Hello guys, this is Momentum, your host, and first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you all are doing good. So as you can see on the screen, this is the chart of natural gas. The broker is NYMEX. So if you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. As you can see, this is the chart of natural gas. The natural gas was moving very precisely in the regression channel. Sell from that point, buy from that point, sell, buy 50% retracement, sell 100% retracement, sell, buy 50% retracement, buy, and market break this structure very beautifully. Let me show you. After breaking the structure like that, the market very beautifully came back to retest its main trend line area, and after that it gave a rapid movement in the selling point. As you can see, the market fell from 2.9 to 2.3 without a major news or any issue. So first of all, we have a major problem here in the natural gas is that gap. The market has to refill this gap. We have a gap here, but the market recovered it very beautifully. But now a major problem is this gap. If market somehow clear this gap, fill this gap, then after that point we can see a rise in the pattern or in the prices of gold. So let's draw a support area on that point where we have a gap. Okay, so this is the chart according to H4 candle. Let's move according to H1 candle so we can analyze how will the market move. So as you can see, this is the downtrend movement. Okay, and this is also known as, I have told you many times, this is also known as descending sell movement. And you know what is descending sell movement? Let me explain once again. As you can see, this was the upper point of the gas. It fell down, retrace 50%, make a double top, again fell down, retrace 50%, fell, double top, sell, double top, and fell. So this is the descending selling order, means every new low of the market is down than the previous low. For example, this was the first low, the second low was downside the first low, the third low was down than the second low, the fourth low was more down than the third low, the fifth down was the more down low of the market. So this is known as descending order of selling or descending order of bearish movement. Okay, so this is natural gas. So if we draw again a regression channel, again a parallel channel, then we can find out that we have this movement of natural gas. Okay, what happened to the chart? Let me show you. Okay, so this was the movement of natural gas. As you can see, market now again selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, and again market is moving in the selling position. So it is a very beautiful point to make a sell contact or make a sell movement from here. But for that you have to draw a structure here. Why? Because this is the major resistance level the natural gas is facing. That if the market where is the brush? Okay, if the market regularly follow from this instruction or follow these movement, then you can follow this for long term. If market somehow break the upper resistance, then it will come back to test this trend line, then you can take a buying entry till 2.4. but after that you have to take a sell by setting your stop loss above the blue zone, green zone. Then after that it will be again in the selling pattern till to 1.8. The we have a gap in the market, so to refill its gap the market will come down So after coming down, after going down, it will never go down. Then we will have a long-term buying entry. As you can see, if market break this structure, then again it will hold little here, again little here, and eventually the third and highest selling point of our market will be the this moment 1.6. So this was all about natural gas. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can message me on my Telegram channel. So if you have any confusion, you can clear it from our Telegram channel as well as by commenting below the video. So hopefully this video was very informational and beneficial for you. In the last, I request you to join our Telegram channel, so you can get many signals from the platform of Forex Planet. Thank you very much.